Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with my Dollar Tree haul. Really nice haul. So I posted another time this video was up, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks ago, not sure, that they had remodeled. I guess it's about the third or fourth time maybe. Yeah, that they remodeled the Dollar Tree's craft owl. Not that remodeled, like a major remodel. They moved it from the normal like short owl to like the whole length, not of the store, but maybe in this particular store, maybe a couple owls, they combined it or whatever. And yeah, they still have more stuff. And they still haven't got the cricket stuff out there yet. So I'm like, oh, come on now. But they restocked all of the yarn, all the different textured yarn and fun fur and all that kind of stuff, and ribbons. That was on the other owl because they didn't have enough room for it. But I did find this great one that says, Welcome Home. I just love that one. I just thought it was pretty. I know you can't see it because it's light, sorry. But it says Welcome Home. And this one says Home. This is brown with the green leaves under it. And this is just gray with the list of the white. These, okay. So it's ribbon. Did pick up a few wood veneers. Not that I need any more, but I know I don't think I had the hugs, the script for hugs. If you can see that. And it's love with the heart on the end. I don't think I had it written that way. I had a different love. And then these were some clocks. I always like those in mixed media. So, I mean, it's so much cheaper than purchasing some more keys than buying some of the stuff offline. You just have to shuffle it or whatever, but hey, it's worth it. So, did pick up some gemstones. There's 100 piece each, and so these are the blue, and these are circular. You see them different sizes, so it's got a couple clear in here, but it's about 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes in here. And the pink, same thing, pink and the clear. And then this is the multicolored one. Like I needed any more bling, absolutely not. Okay, I don't know why, didn't need it. And Lord knows I didn't need these straws, but wow. I want to show you straws. And then, you know, one, you can get these in Happy Meals, so it's always something great you can do with that. Birthday parties, you know, candy apples, lollipops, wands, you know, just anything like that you can use this in. But I just thought it was so pretty and the colors were so different. I just couldn't pass it up. So 2 of them, one was like a boy, I guess, and one was a girl, came with these tags, which I thought was really nice. These paper tags with the holes already in them that you could put on them. So it was a 20 pack, and so these came in 1, 2, 3, 4 designs. And that's the dinosaur tag. And then the girl one, I would say, like that was, I would count that as a boy, and then I count this as a girl. And this is the unicorn. And that purple, I was like, you never see purple straws really. And even this limey color, yellow color, which is not showing up really the right color up here. Sorry about that. And then, so that was those. Then they had these other single packs, which I just thought was so pretty. Like this one, I don't know, I just fell in love with this coral and this green, the sage kind of a green and gold, and I just thought these were so pretty. Then they had these like, you know, red in here, little polka dotted ones and striped ones in here, metallic. This green has like a holographic silver on it, which you're not seeing it in here, but trust me, just different. These are like the metallic unicorn kind of ones. You see that rainbow kind of a thing? Well, not rainbow, but like, well, it's kind of rainbow, but it's ombre. And then this has got like the confetti on it. Again, not doing them justice. Talking about lighting. So you got some blue, silver ones, some green, metallic, and then this is like the streamers on the blue, and there's some more dots. I just thought they were fun. And then this, look at this, this black and brown, like in blue, like those color combinations. I mean, it's like really cool, man. So all of those, yumminess. Yes, more straws than I can shake a stick at. I admit it. Then they had these, I thought these would just be so great on a zine or an iCat or something. Or ATC, because they're dimensional. So I only got one of each. But, yeah. I don't know quite what the shapes of these are, but I got them. And then these are more like hearts, but really pristine. And then I got this monogram cross stitch kit, not because I want to do monogram, but I thought maybe this would be something fun to alter as a hoop, like an embroidery hoop, maybe to alter this. So I got that. I only got one, but I gotta check that out. They had a ton of these puppy stickies. I got some again. My mom was thinking of zines. I don't know how many zines I'm thinking of making in my life, but anyway. Or some ATCs. So you got your little llamas up here, or alpacas, whichever one that looks like a llama. I don't know, whatever. I'm getting to, I don't know, I don't know, my friend can never tell the difference in a llama. We joke on her every time. Look at these dogs. And I think these have been out before, but I didn't get them because they weren't there when I went to the store. But ATCs, and I thought this would be nice. I have one of my grandson's birthday parties. We went to this dinosaur exhibit thing, and I thought could use that on the layout for that. And sports, I'm like, oh, yeah, my kids played basketball, football, and my grandson don't want to play baseball. My kids and soccer. My children never played baseball, which is, I don't know why they never did. But then look at these butterflies. So, you know, again, you can never have enough butterflies. You got 13 pieces on that one. You can use it in so many different types of projects, you know. I mean, they're stickers. So, all of those. But then the last thing that I was really excited about was I got these stamps. And again, these are posted on my Instagram page. Probably the same day I saw them in there. But I'm just not going to get to the video to get it up. So, this is a 12-piece travel pack. So you got travel, summer, glasses, ice cream, snorkeling, coconut like shaped cup for your drink, starfish, watermelon, beach ball, your float, duck float, palm tree, and flip flops. And then you have these birds, and it says enjoy life, have a nice day, and beautiful. And so you got all these birds up here, different pose, you know, perched and taking off, and like he's about ready to eat some berries, and like he's about, you know, like a hummingbird. So you got, and then a couple leaves and flowers there as well. For $1, people. And look at this one. You got the mailbox with a heart coming out. I love you. The heart envelope, a diamond kiss, speech bubble, thinking of you. Love you. These hearts, love, in the mason jar, arrows, in the face. I mean, the word love. Another heart. Cannot beat that for $1. $1, people. $1. This one says enjoy the little things and amazing. Again, you've got butterflies, bumblebees, dragonflies, ladybugs, and you got the butterflies, you know, the side angle as well. And then you got your different types of roses and dandelions. Not dandelions, Lord have mercy. Chrysanthemums, I guess, or whatever. So you got different flowers. Don't let me mess up and tell you the story about what type of flowers they are. And then this one, I'm not into the dream catchers, but I wanted the feather. It says catch your dream and be brave. And I wanted the word stickers on that one. But I don't do dream catchers. And then this one, look at the little llama. It says keep on dreaming, find your way. I love llama and drama. Hello. And you got your cacti up here as well. So, yep. So I was excited to get that from the Dollar Tree. I mean, I see why a lot of these craft stores are hurting. I mean, you can get all the stuff made at the Dollar Tree. You know, it's a great way to be able to build your stash. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care.